Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can download apps on your Sony Xperia 10 Mark V. Maybe you have a specific app that you would like to download. Maybe you just want to stroll around and see what you can get. We need to go to our Play Store. And now we have our For You page here. We have apps, games, and books. And we have here on the app page top charts, apps for children categories, then books, ebooks, we have audiobooks, different genres and top selling runs, new releases and top for free. And then we also have games for you, and then we have top charts, we have games for children, premium games, and different categories as well. We always have the search bar here on top, and if we go ahead and look for an app, we need to know the name of that app, obviously, and we can type that in and then we can click on it. We have more information, ratings and reviews about this app, and when we want to install it, we just click on install or on get, whatever your phone shows there, and then it's installing. Takes a second. And now we can uninstall it, open it through the button here, or we will go back and then it pops up here on our home screen. So that is how you can download apps on your Sony Xperia 10 Mark V. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.